Protection and Reflection, Cybersecurity and Cyberbullying by Perry Kirst. Cybersecurity. While technology has brought the future to our fingertips by making things easier and more engaging, one downside of technology is the viruses, bugs, and scams that can affect a school's privacy and disrupt services. Cybersecurity is the protection of computers, programs, networks, and data from unlawful and inadvertent access, change, or destruction. Ed Finkel quoted Jim Flanagan, Chief Learning Service Officer at the International Society for Technology and Education. When it comes to cybersecurity, school districts don't present the content-rich targets that major corporations or government agencies might, but they also don't have the same resources to protect themselves. Just like the technology is always evolving and emerging, so are the security risks. It is important for school systems to focus on all potential threats and risks, not just the biggest ones. Jim Flanagan shared that several districts fell victim to ransomware scams in which hackers hold a network or data hostage until they are paid off. This is a cybersecurity issue that can occur in all types of learning environments, face-to-face, blended, or online. A way to keep cybersecurity up to date is with a consistent evaluation to determine security needs by doing risk assessments and continuous monitoring, as per the National Institute of Standards and Technology. Additionally, in order to contest the vulnerabilities and susceptibilities of cyber attacks, providing official computer security education to teachers and employees could minimize the issue. If given this background, adults and even students may feel more comfortable being proactive in making these imperative safety decisions in order to protect their service. Cyberbullying. Laffman, Alms, Sandel, and Moden share the two forms of bullying have many features in common, but there are also differences. School bullying is most often performed face-to-face in the school setting. In contrast, cyberbullying is not restricted by time and place, but can occur anytime and anywhere. In addition, due to its digital nature, acts of cyberbullying can easily be repeated and also witnessed by a wider audience. This illuminates how cyberbullying can take place in any type of learning environment. For example, if students are in a face-to-face class and have access to a collective online communication channel dedicated to interaction or content sharing for inside the classroom, also known as social media, cyberbullying can take place. Likewise, it can take place in a blended or online learning environment. As mentioned in the Module 5, Part 5 presentation, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services provides a definition of the term cyberbullying that states, cyberbullying is bullying that takes place using electronic technology. While social media is a common online space where cyberbullying occurs, it is not the only one. A way that we can minimize cyberbullying is by educating students of the outcomes it exposes and how to deal with problems in other, more ethical ways. Conversely, we need to teach students to be careful what they post and share. As educators, we must be conscious of the possibility of cyberbullying happening in our learning environment and prevent it before it even begins.